Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you what I got from Five Below, all my fidgets that I got. The fidgets that I got from Five Below, and also some candy that I got from Five Below. So, before we get started, you have 5 seconds to subscribe and turn on the notification. Sorry, not 5 seconds, which I'm going to be doing a twist today. I'm going to be popping these. Doing all these, and but I don't know how many seconds it's gonna take, but let's see who wins in this competition. Comment down below, done if you did it. But also, while we're doing this, subscribe, give us a big like, and turn on the notifications so you get notified every time we post a new video. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Alright, who won? Alright, comment down below. Done if you did it. And if you didn't, go try. Let's try. You can try it in my next video. Alright, so let's start with my bag from Five Below. So let's start with this. I got this cute squishmallow that you can turn. It's called a flip mellow, and you can squish it. You can flip it into a crab. Sorry, these won't go in, so yeah, it looks like crab octopus. Alright, that's number 1. And then here's number 2. Sorry, this is number 2, which is sour. I got these blue Sour Patch Kids, and it says on the message, it says, first they're sour, then they're sweet. Alright, and this is Sour Patch Kids, and they're blueberry, I think. I don't believe so. Alright, let's open this. So I got this cool bubble burst popping fidget fun, and this bubble popping. Let's open it. And it looks like this is a plastic poppet. I love plastic poppets, guys. They are so fun to play with. Alright, let's pop them. 3, 2, 1. That's one side, this is the second side. Alright guys, comment down for A the first time that I popped it, and put B for the second time I popped it. And after that, comment after when you say A or B, next to it say plastic poppet, so I know that you were talking about the plastic poppet. So, all right, let's go on. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to this. All right, so we have this cool bubble burst popping fidget fun pastel snail. Pastel snail. Oh, I really like this. Looks really pretty. Alright, let's pop it. Well, it doesn't really make a noise on the other side, so I'm not really going to do this one. I really like this one. And it has the colors blue, green, purple, pink, and wait, if you guys want, you can also go to Five Below and get all the things that I'm doing. They have more, but I just bought some of them. Oh, wait, I'm going to go for this one. Yeah, I think you guys are really going to like this one. So this is called Bubble Burst Popping Fidget Fun Neon T-Rex Mini Poppet. So they're saying by mini poppet is basically their little poppets. Like these poppets versus these poppets. Which one's bigger? Which one's smaller? Alright. So like I can even tell you this is not a type of mini poppet. Look. It's a smaller bubble, but it's like a cool design. Alright, let's pop it. I hope you guys like that puppet. I really like it. Alright. Now I'm going to go on to some candy again. So I'm going to save the last poppet for the end. Alright, so I have the Five Below Sugar Rush. Which I got some Red Hot cinnamon flavored candy. And then I also got this big Airhead watermelon. And then I got this small Airhead while I'm gone. Alright, and then I also got this bag of candy because I just bought my own bag and then I got another bag. So it has candy corn, chocolate pretzels, and Skittles. And some Smarties in there. And my heart, this is a heart glow in the dark. So I really love this and I'm really excited. That was easy to take off. Alright, let's pop it. Alright, that side. And also yesterday I went to the movie theater and saw Jungle Cruise, so I definitely recommend you go to the movie theater and get your tickets right now to go see the Jungle Cruise. And also, you could do AMC, iPick, but at iPick, I just knew that some iPick sell blankets for you, so you can take a blanket if you didn't bring a blanket. And also, you can order at some iPicks, you can even order food. Like a waiter will come and ask you what you want to drink, if you want to eat something. So I definitely recommend to see the Jungle Cruise because you might cry, you might be happy, you might be mad, whatever you guys like, whatever feeling. Which I cried and then I was happy and then I was mad, whatever. So I was all those feelings. So that's about it. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next vlog. Bye!